Today I'd like to speak about a key subject, that is the cost and benefit of having a poor or good hygiene in your restaurant. In restaurant, learning about food safety is to learn all the way to prevent food contamination and to avoid food poisoning, from cleaning your restaurant until preparing and cooking the food. A food that is safe to eat is a food that will not create any illness or harm your body. Food can be kept safe by the management by checking properly how the food is packed, how the food is delivered to your premises, how the food is stored in your premises, how the food is prepared, how it's cooked, and how it's finally served to the final customer. The food manager goal should be always to serve safe food and wholesome food to the customer. Because having a poor food quality or to have food that is not fit for consumption, it can harm severely the business. Because the customer that will eat spoiled food or find something in their food, they will tell their friend, they will tell their family, so it will harm the reputation of the business, and at the end maybe some of the restaurants will have to close. A consumer can become sick when proper procedures are not followed. Food can hurt people in different ways. For example, a customer can bite in something sharp when eating his food. A customer can eat a food that was contaminated by bacteria. A customer can eat food that was spoiled by chemicals like cleaning supplies. Improperly cooked food is one of the main causes of foodborne illness. Every day, thousands of customers will suffer from food poisoning and can become really sick. Some group of customers are even more sensitive than other customers. For example, the young children, the elderly person, the person that already suffer from a sickness, and also the pregnant woman. Food safety involves all the procedures and policies that protect the consumer health and avoid any food contamination. If you follow a good food safety policy in your restaurant, there are additional benefits. First of all, the customer will be more satisfied and it will increase your reputation and increase your sales. You will offer to your employee good working conditions, and it will avoid staff turnover. Also, you will decrease your expense because you will not spoil and waste your food, because your food will be properly stored and prepared. You will avoid any legal case and any legal cost in case of customer being sick and sue you, or in case you have any food inspection and you don't comply with the law. Likewise, there are many consequences if you have a poor food safety policy in your restaurant. First of all, it will damage your reputation and it will decrease the number of customers because people will talk badly about the food you are serving to the customer. Also, the working conditions will be less good for the staff and it will decrease their staff morale because nobody likes to work in a dirty place or to have not enough professional equipment to work with. Also, you will increase your expense because your food will come spoiled because of improper stock rotation or bad preparation for the cooking. You will have some fine or some legal cost because some of customers will report you, or maybe they will sue you for any food poisoning. Also, maybe you will have pest infestation in your premises, so it will add an extra cost because you will have to pay for a decontamination company to come and remove any pest from your restaurant. It often happens when you visit a restaurant in Bahrain that the plate or the glasses have an eggy smell. Even though the crockery was professionally washed in a dishwasher, this odor is still remaining. This odor, most of the time, it's coming from the dishwasher itself, either by the water that stays long after washing, or by some food leftover inside the filter. So what you can do to avoid this odor? first of all, you can add some bleach inside the tube below the dish rack. Also, in the water, you can add some white vinegar and run a cleaning cycle. You can make sure that all the filters in the machine are clean without any food left over. Also, as a preventive measure, you can clean your dishes with cold water before putting them in the rack. And you can have a full deep cleaning of your machine. After that, if they still have odor in the plate or the glasses, you might call your supplier to have a look. And regarding the glasses, as an extra step, you can prepare a hot water bucket with white vinegar and lemon, and you dip inside the glasses, and after that you wipe them with clean clothes, and normally they should not have any smell. To conclude, you should have a good food safety policy in your restaurant, and if you want to help your staff, you should run repetitive training for the staff, and especially for food handler, and also you can aid yourself with some of the drawing, so it's a constant reminding for the staff to follow the good policy. À bientôt!